In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pine Script in TradingView Mobile. If you like building or tweaking indicators on the go, the mobile app makes it surprisingly straightforward to get your code into a chart without needing a computer. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone or tablet. Using the latest version helps ensure the Pine Editor option appears where we expect it. Once you're in, you'll be working right from the chart so you can see your edits in context as you code. From the bottom navigation bar, tap Charts. This takes you to your active chart view, which is where Pine Script editing lives on mobile. You can stay on whatever symbol is already loaded. The goal here is simply to bring up the chart interface so the editor can sit alongside it. Next, look to the bottom of the screen and tap the three dots. This opens the Overflow or More menu with additional tools that aren't shown on the main toolbar. If your screen is compact, this menu helps keep everything organized in one place. In that menu, find and tap Pine Editor. If you don't see it immediately, scroll within the menu until it appears. Tapping it opens the mobile code editor, complete with line numbers and syntax highlighting, so you can comfortably work right on your device. Now type in your script or open an existing one. You can paste code from your clipboard, start from a blank file, or load something you've previously saved. A quick tip: include the proper version line at the top of your script so functions and syntax behave as expected. Use the editor's built-in tools like undo, redo, and formatting to keep things tidy. Turning your phone to landscape can give you more room to read and edit, and keeping your code well commented will make mobile tweaks faster later on. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView Mobile, go to the chart, tap the three dots, choose Pine Editor, then type or open your script. Follow along once, and it will become second nature.